Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essential conditions. Plug in the laptop and unlock it, then press the brightness keys to see any change. Once done, open Settings, go to System Display, and note the brightness slider. This tells you if software controls are active. Make sure Windows Update has no pending restarts, and check HP Support Assistant for firmware alerts. These quick checks separate hardware failures from software issues and get you ready for driver and system fixes. Now you tackle drivers and system integrity. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your GPU and choose Update Driver. Try Automatic first. If that fails, download the latest Intel, AMD, or HP driver from the vendor and install it. Alternatively, roll back a recent driver if the problem began after an update. If brightness still misbehaves, run command prompt as admin and execute sfc/scano. Then dism repair. Finish by checking Windows adaptive brightness in Settings System Display and in Power Options. Disable it to see if brightness stabilizes. Make sure the active power plan isn't limiting display output. If software fixes fail, reboot to BIOS and either update BIOS using HP's instructions or reset to defaults. Do this cautiously and with AC power. If brightness still won't change, test with an external monitor to isolate the panel. If the panel is faulty, contact HP support or a repair center for hardware service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.